Learned this from a 5-star restaurant owner. You've never had thighs like these. Here I'm using chicken thighs. Use as many as you prefer. Let's start by cutting out this part of the bone. Then we'll push until the bone comes out completely. After deboning, we'll open the thigh, making it flat like a steak. Next, we'll season it. I used a bit of grilling salt, but feel free to use your favorite seasonings. Now I'll stuff it with some pepperoni, mozzarella, and bacon. Then we'll roll it up like I'm showing you. Just repeat this process with the remaining thighs. Let's put them in a baking dish and sprinkle more salt on top. Cover with foil, bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. After that, remove the foil and bake on high heat for 20 minutes until golden. Look how amazing this chicken turns out. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.